what's up everybody? Today we're gonna be drawing a human here. And I'm voiceover because I didn't know what I was talking about in real life. So here I am now doing voiceover. So for this drawing today I am inspired by my pencil case. As you can see there in the corner. Purple thing in the very corner is my pencil case. And I'm using that for my reference for this person. So I'm starting off with a big circle. And that's my pencil case, so that's what I'm gonna do to my drawing, I guess. Grab a pencil if you want to sketch along. And my drawing is not really good, so yeah. You can make it your own style if you want to follow this video. Now, as you can see, I'm making the face here, and you can see my face. Sorry about my face. I just need to be extra with my drawing. I like mine not bad, but not. I like mine not bad. This drawing is gonna end up pretty good today. So here I am making an ear for this person here. That time I didn't know so I was searching up many references, Pinterest, Google, well, everywhere, because I don't know where to search for items. But then I looked at my pencil case and I got inspired little by little bit. So the hair is gonna be almost like the pencil case that I have. I don't have to search the colors. So here I am drawing body now. So yeah, I'm drawing the body. Now in this part I went over the eyes like 5 or 4 times. I don't know how much times I went over the eyes, but I had a really hard time. I kept complaining about the eyes in my mind. It's like, why can't it be perfect? Like frick. And yes, I was I cannot talk now. Expecting it to be rather good, but in the end, after inking the left eye, left or right, I don't know, from camera view, the left side became horrible when I started inking it, because when I ink stuff, I'm like, that's a bit weird. Maybe I can fix it with a pen now. And then I messed it up big time, and yeah, my life ruined. So now we're drawing. There are some hands. Overalls. I'm planning on now, but the table is pretty. The table that I use and it's been my tripod. So it kept on falling and falling and falling. So if you see the camera like going left and right and left and right, it was me trying to fix it from falling. And now here we have another problem. I didn't like the hips of this person, because it's just like a Barbie doll. In my head I was thinking, what am I drawing right now? What am I supposed to say? So I'm here doing voiceover while I'm editing here, and I'm having some issues with editing too, because my hands are pretty cramped up from last night. I had to finish this at night time, and then in the morning I woke up, I found out I didn't finish the drawing yet, so I had to quickly get my phone and my charger, plug my phone while recording with a tripod. Yeah. And I didn't even forgot to do my outro, but I was too lazy, so I thought I would just do a voiceover. Here I'm working with an eye, and that looks like just to judge what is happening. We'll get better on as we go on. Promise. Now Now I made the other eye tail smile. Then I thought it was okay, and just added some tail. And after adding those, I regretted it. I regretted it. Yeah. Did that eye out of the face. Remade the eye. That was even better. Now that part I was quite satisfied with, but now just trying to make them a little thick so I can see what I have done to the skull. And I've been drawing girls